Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about lesson 4 chart in MS Excel book evaluation. First one from letter is D words. First one category 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 category. Second word representation RERE PRE SENT sent AT ion presentation RERE PRE SENT sent ATION representation. Third one attractive ATT RACT attract IVE attractive ATT RACT attract IVE attractive. Format F or for mat format. Fifth one landscape LAND lands cap CAPE cap landscape. Next word zoom bar ZOOM zoom BAR zoom bar. Location LOCAT cat ION location LOCAT ION location. Compact 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 compact. Object OBJECT object. Design 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 design. Second Roman letter fill in the blanks. X-axis is also known as category axis. X-axis is also known as category axis. The chart title is usually placed at the top of the chart. Axis title is the heading given to the x-axis and y-axis. The chart's area refers to all the objects of the chart. Fifth one, column chart are used to compare values across different categories. The time returns the serial number of particular time. The title shows the title of the chart. Landscape orients to page horizontally. Locate the zoom bar in the bottom right corner. Press the delete key to delete the entire content of the cell. Third round letter, choose the correct answer. Dash identify each data series in unique color or pattern. Legend. Line chart shows trends in data at equal intervals. F11 key automatically creates chart for existing data. Equal intervals வந்தாலே என்ன போடணுமா line chart. Automatic layers for existing data க்கு F11. Unique pattern means legend. Chart present the data and information in a compact manner. The shortcut key to print a chart is Ctrl+P. Say true or false. A bar chart in the form of lines. Bar chart எப்படிமா இருக்கும்? In the form of rectangle இப்படி இருக்குமா? So it is false. A column chart is the bar chart if drawn sideways. Is drawn horizontal வந்ததுன்னா sideways na false. If drawn vertical means true. A line chart uses connecting dots to display trends in data over period of time. True. A pie chart is used to plot the data for multiple data series. False. Single data series means the true. XY scatter used to compare pairs of XY values. True. Copy. Shortcut key for copy is Ctrl plus C. Cut. Ctrl plus X. Min. Smallest value. Min minimum value. Chart. Graphical data. Sum add two values. Once again copy. Ctrl plus C. Cut. Ctrl plus X. Min. Smallest values. Chart. Graphical data. Sum add two values. The chart. Next, answer the following question. What is a chart or graph? A pictorial representation of numeric data is called chart or graph. Pictorial, P-I-C-T-O-R-I-L. Pictorial representation of numeric, N-U-M-E-R-I-C. Numeric. The pictorial representation of numeric data is called chart or graph. Write down the advantages of chart and graphs. The chart presents the data and information in attractive manner. Charts are easier to understand. Once again saying, chart represent data and information in an attractive manner. Information, IN in, FOR for, MET mat, ION information. Chart எதுக்கு ஈஸியாக அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு நம்மளுக்கு அட்ராக்ஷன் பண்ணுறதுக்கு இருக்கும். What are the components of chart in MS Excel? X-axis. X-axis is otherwise known as category axis. Once again saying, x-axis is otherwise known as category axis or horizontal axis of the chart. Y-axis. Y-axis is known as value axis, vertical axis of the chart. Plot area. This is a rectangular area bounded by two axes where the chart is plotted. Data points. The bar, lines or other elements that represent data value. Chart area. This area includes all the objects of the chart. Legend. It identifies each data series in a unique color or pattern. Legend எப்படி இருக்குன்னா இப்படி இருக்கும். இப்போ இதுக்கு ஒரு கலர் தமிழுக்கு இப்படி அடிச்சோன்னா இங்கிலீஷ்க்கு இப்படி டிஃப்ரென்ஷியேட் பண்ணி காட்டுறது. This is called legend. If you can't understand, see the video, recorded video. Once again saying, the components of charts in MS Excel are x-axis. X-axis is known as category axis. Y-axis. Y-axis is known as value axis. Plot area. This is a rectangle area bounded by two axes where the chart is plotted. Data points. The bar, lines or other elements that represent data values. Chart area. This area includes all the objects of the chart. Legend. It identifies each data series in a unique color or pattern. List out the types of chart in MS Excel. Bar, line chart, pie chart, column chart, area, star, cone, bubble, scatter, radar, surface. Once again I am saying, bar, BAR bar, LINE line, PIE pie, column COLUMN column, surface SURFACE surface, scatter SCATTER, scatter. Radar, RADAR, radar. Bubble, BUBBLE, bubble. CONE, cone. STOCK, stock. Area, AREA, area. The bar chart shows the comparison among individual items. Area chart shows the trends of values over time categories. Pie chart shows one data series in the form of comparative size of things that make up the data series to the sum of the items. Line chart shows the trends in data at equal intervals. It shows the data in different styles of line varying at equal intervals. Column chart. It shows the data changes over period of time or illustrate comparison among data items. What are the two ways to create chart in MS Excel? In the current worksheet, as an object in separate worksheet. What are the two ways to create worksheet? What are the two ways to create chart at two different places in the current worksheet as an object in separate worksheet in the current workbook? What are the three tabs available as the chart gets created? Three tabs என்னென்ன இருக்குன்னா layout, design and format. What are the three tabs available as the chart get created? Chart create ஆகும்போது three tabs நம்மளுக்கு தெரியும். என்னென்ன tabன்னு தெரியல, design, layout and format. Next question, how to print a chart in MS Excel? Select the chart, select file, go to the print option and click the print button. How to print chart in MS Excel? Select the chart, go to the file menu, click print option, click print button. How to move a chart in MS Excel? Point anywhere on the chart. First point anywhere on the chart. Second point, drag it in the desired location. Once again, how to move a chart in MS Excel? Point anywhere on the chart, drag it in the desired location. How will you change the chart type in MS Excel? Click the chart, click the design tab, click change chart type from type group. The change chart type dialog box appears. Choose the new chart type and click OK button. Once again I am saying, how will you change the chart type in MS Excel? Click the chart, click the design tab, click the change chart type from type group. To change chart type dialog box appear. Choose the new chart type, click OK button. How will you change the page orientation? Select the page layout tab, left click the orientation command, select either portrait or landscape. Once again select the page layout, left click the orientation command. Orientation command is used to change the direction of the text. Direct text வந்து எந்த direction மாத்துறதுக்கு பேர் தான் orientation. Select either portrait or landscape. Portrait நம்ம பேப்பர் வந்து என்ன height அதிகமாக இருக்கும், width கம்மியாக, width will be in less and height will be in higher. Landscape means width will be higher and height will be lower. portrait like this. Landscape. How will you change the paper size in MS Excel? Select the page layout tab, click the size command, select the required size. Select the page layout tab, click the size command, click the required size. Explain briefly about components of chart. The components of chart shows data, title, x-axis, y-axis, plot area, legend. Source data, the range of cells that make up a chart. Once again saying, source data, the range of cells that make up a chart. இப்போ எவ்வளோ வச்சுருக்கோமோ எம்எஸ் எக்ஸலில் நம்மளுக்கு தேவையான அளவை செலக்ட் பண்ணி சார்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு பேர் தான் என்னது சோர்ஸ் டேட்டா. ஒன்ஸ் அகெயின் சோர்ஸ் டேட்டா மீன்ஸ் த ரேஞ்ச் ஆஃப் செல்ஸ் தட் மேக் அப் எ சார்ட். Title, it displays the title at the chart. Title where it appear at the top of the chart. Third one is x-axis. X-axis is otherwise known as category axis. CATEGORY, category axis. It is a horizontal axis of a chart. It is known as category axis. Y-axis. Y-axis is known as value axis. It is vertical axis of a chart. Horizontal HORIZONTAL, horizontal. Vertical VERTICAL, vertical. Plot area, it is a rectangular area bounded by two axes where the chart is plotted. Legend, it identifies each data series in unique color or pattern. See the below graph, it is y-axis. This is called y-axis, vertical axis. This is horizontal axis. It is called x-axis. See, the three names are selected: Ram, Bar, Balu and Hari. This dark color represents legend. It shows the Tamil mark of Hari. The horizontal in the bar graphs represent English mark. A small line represented in the chart is called grid. At the top of the chart is called chart title. It is given as student mark. Once again recall it. List out the component briefly about the components are source data, the range of cells that make up a chart is called source of data. Title, it displays the title of the chart. It actually appear at the top. X-axis is known as category axis or horizontal axis of the chart. Y-axis is known as value axis, vertical axis of the chart. Plot area, this is a rectangular area bounded by two axes where the chart is plotted. Legend, it identifies each data series in unique color or pattern. Thank you.